Hey guys, and welcome to Math to Know. We have 10 plus 10 plus, divided by 2 plus 9. Now, 10 plus 10 gives us 20. Now, 20 divided by 2 gives us 10. And now, 10 plus 9 gives us 19. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First, parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition and subtraction. Addition or subtraction. According to this rule, we have one division here that we have to solve it first. So 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. Now 10 plus 5 plus 9. And when we have more than one addition in one expression, we have to solve from left to right. Now 10 plus 5 gives us 15. Now 15 plus 9 gives us 24. The right answer is 24. Please like and subscribe this video if you like this. Thank you for watching.